How to create Pokemon Go account. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sign up or create a Pokemon Go account on your phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, download and install the Pokemon Go app, and then once you have installed it, open the app, then wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, it will ask you to enter your date of birth. So enter your date of birth. Then after entering your date of birth, tap on submit. Then here, if you are a returning player, you can tap here. If you are a new player, you can tap here. So I'm a new player, I'm gonna tap on new player. So now here you can create a Pokemon Go account with Facebook, with Google, or with Pokemon Trainer Club. So if you want, you can select Facebook or Google. I'm gonna select Pokemon Trainer Club. Tap on create one here. Now here enter your date of birth. Then here tap on set. Now here tap on country and region and select your country or region. Then after selecting, tap on continue. Now here you have to select a username. So tap on this box and enter a username. And then tap on check availability. So it looks like this username is available. Then here you have to tap on this password box and enter a password, and then after entering a password, scroll down, enter the password here again to confirm. Then here enter email address, then here enter the email address again to confirm. Then if you would like to receive news and information about Pokemon, you can check this box. And if you want to receive news and updates about Pokemon Center, you can check this box. Then you have to check this I'm not a robot, and after checking, tap on continue. Then here scroll down, tap on this checkbox that I have read and agreed to Niantic terms of service for the Pokemon Go app, and then tap on continue. Now here it says verify email. So they say that they have sent a verification email. So open email. You will receive an email like this from Pokemon. Open that email. Then here tap on verify your email. Now here it says thank you for signing up, your account is now active, login now. So if I tap on login now, here it asks for my username and password. So this is website, so I'm gonna open the Pokemon Go app. Now here you have to select your age. Then tap on submit. Then here tap on new player. Then here tap on Pokemon Trainer Club. Then enter here username and password we just created and tap on sign in. So let me enter my details and sign in. So now here it says welcome, and if you have a referral code, you can tap here and enter it. Then tap on continue. Then you have to accept to the terms of service of Pokemon Go. So tap on accept and then tap on OK. And now the Pokemon Go account is created. So this is how you can sign up or create Pokemon Go account. Thanks for watching.